Check out this 2014 BMW X3 XDRIVE35I. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle's top features include power steering, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, adjustable steering wheel, climate control, heated seats, keyless entry, leather steering wheel and security system. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.